Do you ever find yourself looking at your business website and feeling like it's stuck in the past? The internet is a constantly evolving place, and if your website isn't up to date, it can make your business look outdated and unprofessional. An outdated website can be downright ugly. It makes your business look totally unappealing and will discourage potential customers from sticking around to explore your products, services, or business opportunities. Even worse, an outdated website might not be converting as well as it should be. The few visitors you have would bounce off your site without buying anything because it's too hard to navigate or unclear what you're offering. Ugly, outdated websites means lost customers, lost sales, lost opportunities, and that affects your bottom line. Don't stay stuck with a website from the past. Don't despair, there is an AI solution out there to modernize your online presence and give your business the boost it deserves. What if I told you that you could have a stunning, modern website that attracts and converts customers created for you in seconds? Imagine having a website that excites your visitors and promotes your brand, making you stand out from the masses. A website that reflects the quality of your business and earns trust from potential clients. Transform your business with the power of AI solutions in seconds. AI-powered Instant Website Builder, powered by ChatGPT, is our newest feature for business owners. Contact Yvonne. Your success is important to her. Share your business needs and goals. Let's discuss AI solutions for your online business prosperity.